Welcome back to Nano Education. This is lesson 4 in the JavaScript series. In this video, we'll be introducing strings. So basically, we'll learn how to add strings, and you will actually learn a lot of new stuff that you may never knew before. And in the comment section below, let me know of some things that you think that if I give you additional technologies in your hand, what could you do with some of the stuff I've taught you today? Let's get started. So let's review what a string is. A string is what it stores a series of characters. So you can write a string either with a single or a double quote. Alright, that's just a good thing to know. So I have some examples of strings on the bottom. These are all strings. None of these are going to be read as, like 1, 2, 3 is not read as a number. It's actually read as a string. Alright? Simple enough. Even the date is a string. So when you're adding strings, so my suggestion would be is that you would create a variable. So I call this string, and then the two strings that we're adding, hello and then world. Alright, and then I went ahead and console.log string and I got hello world, but this time it was all together. So why? Well, because hello, alright, the word hello doesn't have any space between, it doesn't know to put a space. It's reading it as is. Alright, it's just putting back to back. So here's how you add a space between the words. You add empty quotes, alright, basically. So all you do is that you create quotes with a space in between. That way they can create a space for you, alright. So another way to add spaces will be to leave room for yourself, alright. And I do not know why I have these double quotes, but it would be normally. So what it will be normally is that we'll have hello, alright, and you leave the space, and then you're gonna have this. It'll be this world. Alright, not worry about anything. We'll talk about this in the next video in more detail in the code editor. So putting variables together. So here are the variable. So assign a variable with the keyword var. We have a variable first name is equal to John. Last name is equal to Doe. So when we do var string is equal to John plus Doe, we get not John plus Doe. Alright. So this is supposed to be first name plus last name. Alright? We got John Doe. Now you wonder why will we get John Doe? And the reason for that is the reason we're getting John Doe is because these both variables are assigned John and Doe, right? So when they're assigned the same, so when we're adding them back to back, we get that. So we can just put a space between, alright? And we get John Doe. So I hope this video was very informational, you guys. Sorry for the typos, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture.